Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can create a paypal.me link from your PayPal account. So if you have a website or maybe a YouTube channel, so you can also share this link to your users or maybe customers, and they can easily do the payment into your account. So this is super simple. You can share this link to anyone. So this is actually linked with your PayPal account. So first of all, you have to log into your PayPal account. So let me log out this one, and I'm going to do it from the very beginning so that you get to know that how this is going to be done. So here is the login button. So you have to go to paypal.com, then you have to log into your PayPal account, enter your email and password, and then after login. So once you are logged in, then after you can go to the paypal.me. So here I have the dashboard of my PayPal account. So now I am interested to create the paypal.me link. So once you are going there like paypal.me, so you have to search that, and then you will be getting create your paypal.me link. So you need to click on this specific button here, and once you are clicking that one, then after you will be getting this specific screen. You need to click on get started, and here you will be getting your image and maybe your name as well. So this means that this account is yours. Why? Because I just logged into my personal account, so because of which this is going to be shown over here. So now I am interested to create the paypal.me link. So here I am going to add a username like Mr. Digitals. So if this would be available, then this tick mark would be shown over here. So if that would not be available, for example, I am writing here digital, so maybe this would not be available. So in that way you can see that they are giving us the suggestions that you can choose one of these names, right? But for now I am going to write Mr. Digitals. So it is available, so we need to click on next, and here we go. So you can see that here we have the I agree that my name, photo, username, email and mobile number can be shown to others to make it easier to find me. Or yes, for example, you are sharing this specific paypal.me/Mr. Digitals link to any other people. So at that moment they could able to see your image, I mean profile picture, as well as the name to identify that it's exactly you. So here you need to click on agree and create. So once you are done with this one, yeah, then you can actually copy this one and share to anyone. So this is done. So you need to click on done. So your link is ready to share. So you can share this link to anyone you wanted to. So whenever someone is going to do the payment, that would be directly coming to your PayPal account. So you can see that here we have paypal.me Mr. Digitals. So for example, I am opening this into my private browser and going to paste it over here. For example, I am writing here paypal.me/Mr. Digitals. Then after I am pressing the enter key, so you will get the screen where someone can do the payment. Yeah, so here you can enter the amount. For example, I am writing here $50, $5. Then I can click on next. So then I will be redirected to specific PayPal account. So whenever the customer would be trying to do the payment, he will have to add here its username and password, and then after the payment would be done. So that means we are ready to go. So if you have the YouTube channel, you can share this specific link over there as well, because there are some people who can support your YouTube channel, or maybe you have the websites, and if you want you can accept the donations from them, and just you can give to other poor people as well, because there are a lot of needy people as well. So you can also do something like that. So I'm also a website developer. So if you have needed any specific website like e-commerce website or any other type of website, then you can contact me. I will be happy to help you out with such type of things. If you have needed Shopify store, or maybe you are facing any technical issue, feel free to ask me the questions and ask me for help. So I will be adding the contact details into my description. So you should also get the WhatsApp number, and you can contact me anytime you want. And one more thing is, like, if you wanted to donate me some amount, so I will be putting this link into my description, so you can donate as much as you can, so that I get inspired and create new wonderful videos for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, just click on subscribe button and subscribe this channel now, so that in the coming videos you get the notification of whatever interested thing I will be uploading onto my YouTube channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.